Went to my local hospital, they checked me. I was 4 centimeters dilated, 80% E phase, extremely dehydrated, and anemic. Next thing I knew, I'm getting life flighted here. Ended up having to have emergency C-section. With Daliyla, I got really depressed and emotional, so I knew something wasn't okay.
The incidence of postpartum depression for new moms in general was around 14%. We decided to institute screening our NICU moms to see what our levels of postpartum depression were in the NICU patient population. And in our first year of screening, what we found is double the incidence of the general patient population. 28% of our moms are screening positive for postpartum depression.
Once I started seeing that things were going downhill, I was like, I need to get on top of this before it gets worse.
For treatment, we have developed a referral network, and we can refer to obstetricians, to family practice physicians, to psychologists, to psychiatrists, to support groups for postpartum depression.
Yay!
There are social stresses, family stresses, financial stresses, and those build and build upon each other, and then the baby comes and has to be in the NICU, and that just compounds everything.
Feeling that I was a horrible mom because I couldn't be there every minute to make sure she was okay. And like when she was born, I only got to see a glimpse of her. I didn't get to hold her or anything like that. Or even being away from my son, I felt like I was a horrible mom because I couldn't be right there to make sure he was okay.
You can't address a problem until you define it. And so working as hard as our staff members have to define this problem and to identify it in each individual family and then work with those families to help make sure that mothers are getting the resources that they need, that's a really big accomplishment.
Reach out to whoever you can. There's nothing wrong with getting help. It's going to help out in the end.
To share the hard times with us and then be open to the resources that we had and to do the hard work to get herself healthy while we were working to get her child healthy. That was inspiring. I'm so proud of this whole family.
They were amazing. Honestly, it was like having your own family and like your friends, They truly did care and wanted to help you and weren't judgmental or anything like that. It helped a lot.